How to change display language in Rainbow Six Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily change the display language setting in Rainbow Six Mobile game. So first of all, launch open Rainbow Six Mobile application on your device and wait for the main home screen to load. Once it does, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. This will open Settings menu. From the Settings menu, scroll down from the left-hand side menu and tap on Language. Under the menu language option, choose a different language which is available at the top, and after making a selection, click on Yes. The game will then refresh or restart with your selected language. So that is how you can easily do it. Simply select your preferred language from the list and you are done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.